Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Biosynthesis of bile acids and bile salts. Bile acids and bile salts. Bile consists of a watery mixture of organic and inorganic compounds. Phosphatidyl, choline, lecithin, and bile salts, conjugated bile acids, are quantitatively the most important organic components of bile. Transport and storage of bile. Bile can either pass directly from the liver, where it is synthesized into the duodenum through the common bile duct, or by stored in the gallbladder when not immediately needed for digestion. Now, the synthesis of bile acids. Primarily, bile acids like cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid are synthesized in the liver from the cholesterol by a multiple pathway. Step 1, hydroxyl group is added to carbon number 7 of cholesterol nucleus, is an alpha orientation catalyzed by cholesterol 7 alpha hydroxylase, is the regulatory enzyme of bile acids synthesis. An endoplasmic reticulum associated cytochrome P450 enzyme found only in the liver that requires molecular oxygen, NADPH, and cytochrome P450. This reaction is rate controlling step, the rate limiting step in bile acids synthesis, which inhibited by bile acids. The synthesis of bile salts from bile acids. Before the bile acids leave the liver, they are conjugated to a molecule of glycine and taurine to form a bile salts. When it conjugated with glycine to become a glycocholic acid and glycokenodeoxycholic acid, when it become a conjugated with taurine amino acid to make a taurocholic acid and taurokenodeoxycholic acid. Now the fate of bile salts. Bile salts produced in the liver are secreted into the bile. They are stored in the gallbladder and released into the intestine during a meal, where they serve as a detergent that aid in the digestion of dietary lipids. More than 95% of bile salts are reabsorbed in the ileum and rest through the portal vein to the liver. This recycling of bile acids between intestine and liver is called enterohepatic circulation. Intestinal bacteria Intestinal bacteria deconjugates and dehydroxylase some portion of bile salts. Intestinal bacteria deconjugates and dehydroxylase some portion of bile salts, removing glycine and taurine, as well as removed hydroxyl group at position 7 to produce a secondary bile acids. Cholic acid becomes deoxycholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid becomes lithocholic acid, the secondary bile acids. However, lithocholic acid, which is less soluble, is not reabsorbed to any significant extent, as small fraction of bile salts, less than 5%, a little as 400 milligrams per day, escapes absorption and is therefore eliminated in the feces. This quantity must be synthesized daily from cholesterol to maintain the bile acid pools. Now the enterohepatic circulation, bile salts secreted into the intestine are efficiently reabsorbed greater than 95% and reused. The liver converts both primary and secondary bile acids into bile salts by conjugation with glycine and taurine and secreted them into the bile. The mixture of bile acids and bile salt is absorbed primarily in the ileum via sodium bile salt co-transporters. They are actively transported out of the ileal mucosal cells into the portal blood and are efficiently taken up by the hepatocytes. The continuous process of secretion of bile salts into the bile, their passage through the duodenum, where are converted to bile salts, some are converted to bile acids, their uptake in the ileum, and subsequently returned to the liver as a mixture of bile acids and bile salts is termed the enterohepatic circulation. Between 15 to 30 grams of bile salts are secreted from the liver into the duodenal each day. Only about 0.5 gram is lost daily in the feces. Approximately 0.5 gram per day is synthesized from cholesterol in the liver to replace the lost bile acids. Bile salts deficiency, cholelithiasis. The movement of cholesterol from the liver into the bile must be accompanied by the simultaneous secretion of phospholipids and bile salts. If this dual process is disrupted and more cholesterol enters the bile than can be solubilized by the bile salts and phosphatidylcholine present, the cholesterol may precipitate in the gallbladder, leading to a cholesterol gallstone disease called cholelithiasis. This slide shows the cholelithiasis in which the cholesterol becomes precipitated in gallbladder, leading to a cholesterol gallstone disease. This disease is typically caused by a decreased bile acids in bile, which maybe results from a gross malabsorption of bile acids from the intestine, as seen in the patient with a severe ileal disease, or it may be obstruction of the biliary tract that interfere the enterohepatic circulation, or it may severe hepatic dysfunction leading to a dis- disease that decrease the synthesis of bile salts, or it may be due to excessive feedback suppression of bile acid synthesis as a result of an accelerated rate of recycling of bile acids. Cholelithiasis also may result increased biliary cholesterol excretion. Treatment of cholelithiasis, laparoscopic cholecystectomy, surgical removal of the gall bladder through a small incision is currently the treatment of choice. However, if a patient who are unable to undergo surgery, oral administration of chenodeoxycholic acid is given to supplement the body's supply of bile acids, result in a gradual dissolution of the gallstones that may require months or years. Assignment: how bile synthesis of bile acids regulated. What do you mean by enterohepatic circulation? Also give its significant.